Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In our last tutorial, we have seen how to convert a Python dictionary into a JSON object. Now in this video, let's try to understand what is the exact difference between a dictionary, like when we have a Python dictionary versus when we convert it into the JSON object, how different it looks. So it's the same program basically, and let me just put some debugger points here. And if I debug this and if I show you how the dictionary looks like by hovering my mouse pointer, it is like a list if you see here, and it displays all the elements, like what is the probable data type of this particular element, what is the data type of rest of the elements as well. It gives you the length, so it is almost like a in a representation way, it is almost like a list, right? But now here, if you see, if I just convert it using the json.dumps and bypassing the customer directory, if I just convert this, then it gives me a bare string value, right? Which is kind of a JSON like format, or JSON format, not even like, it's a JSON format, right? But if I print this, if I print these two objects, this is my dictionary, it exactly looks as that of JSON. Yeah. And if I print this JSON, then it exactly looks as JSON, but actually it is not, right? We have seen the memory representation of these two objects, that it looks completely different in its when it is a dictionary and when it is a JSON. In dictionary, this is how it looks like. In JSON, it gets converted into one single string. Okay, so that's the difference. I got multiple requests using the references, like it, like when we print this, it exactly gives us the very similar output. But actually, even though, yeah, that is completely fine, that it gives you a completely similar output when you see that particular object. But when it comes to the memory representation of these two, dictionary and JSON, they are completely different, and that's why I just wanted to demo this in this tutorial, so which is what we have seen. So thanks guys, thanks for watching this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one.